How to download and install GroupMe app. Let's get started. The process is similar for Android and iOS device. Launch the Play Store or App Store. Now in the search box type in GroupMe and then search for it. With that app will appear. Clicking on the app, you're gonna get the option of install or get. You'll need to click on that. For iOS devices, you might need to enable Face ID. Once you complete that process, download process will start. Make sure you have strong and stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. Once completion of this download process, you can launch it. And that's it. This is how you can easily download and install GroupMe app on your device. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.